itina wa President William Ruto kutangasa kuvyaiwa itheka kwa wiwano kati wa kampuni wa Adani kuma India na kiwanza cha ndege cha JKIA ikoani yele yathakitwe kotini Tony Gachoka ya kuleana na kunenga na uthukumi wa JKIA kuya Adani ni yaende ya umunthe kotini wa Milimani. Mutongoi wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na ula ni wakili wa kiwango cha Senior Council na ula withito aivika kotini ukungamia Gachoka ainena itina wa sikalosia umunthe ni waweta na kutuika President Ruto nuna vya itheka mwiwano usu akenya ni maile umanya uwo kukona wiwano wonde wa Adani. Kalonzo eatiani na mwakili angi alani ndongo ya DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa na seneta wa kaunti ya Makueni Dan Maanzo. Ben Musau ili voti Mbeange.
Koti munene va Kenya ni waumia mwea wa komisi ya serikali nene yitwa isia kandarasi na kampuni ya kumanthi ya idea ya Adani.
Pending the hearing and determination of the petitioner applicant's notice of motion application dated 12 October 2024, a conservatory order be and is hereby issued, restraining the respondents jointly and severally from entering into, approving, or furthering any concession agreement relating to the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport with the first and second respondents or the associated or related entities or any other party or entity.
Jaji wa koti munene Justice Bahati Mwamuya yumia utuyo usu na umia mwea onge wako siya kampuni ya Adani ungamia kiwanza kinene cha ndege cha Jomo Kenyatta International Airport akila kimusini munene wa Ilovi kana kuungamia mali ya kiwanza kiu.
Conservatory order be and is hereby issued, restraining the 11th and 12th respondents from taking over and operating the assets and business of the 7th respondent relating to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport.
Kalonzo Musyoka na ulevi kite kwa nine yu ewera nonginya Kenya maile wiki lakini avia iwenetheka yulua kampuni wa Adani kabindani kauneni wa President Ruto kwanthi aiweta Kenya ni maile itakuelewa ugo wake lakini naendeye muvangoni muima wa Adani.
We had some discussion about what was actually cancelled. All right? Whatever was cancelled, those things need to be brought before the court. And therefore, we remain seized and want to assure Kenyans that we are seized of this matter. And one of the things that in fact we want to do is to do a further affidavit by the petitioner and bring for record purposes and for purposes of taking what in law is called taking judicial notice of the indictment of Adani in the United States of America under the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act.
The Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, our pride and joy, the project was valued at over 268 billion shillings. We have no doubt, certainly as petitioners in this matter, that over 2.6 billion shillings has already been paid to Kenyan officials because that is how Adani operates.
Nake Wamalwa eweta tavena ulusa ni mwingi ula wendini wa Adani aikona ni amuvango mwa uitiwasha na Adani na vala watungi ya movea Kenya lama na okililia wasiandini wa muvango muima wa Adani.
What we are saying today to William Ruto, all Adani deals must be dropped.
Yeah.
It's not enough to drop 2 deals, JKIA and Ketraco. We know that Adani is in Shah. In fact, the proper name for that should be Adani Shah. That too must be dropped because it's equally tainted by fraud, by corruption, and it should face the same fate as this. So let's thank all the Kenyans who have come out, Senator Onyonka and all those who raised Amenya, those who raised the real whistleblowers. The young man with one tooth who walked to JKIA akisema Ruto ameuzia airport yetu Muhindi. That young man is a hero. We celebrate him too.
That we are not averse to foreign direct investment. In fact, we will come up with proposals on how best to modernize our international airport because it's in a very poor state. That's a fact. I don't know whether some leakage was reported that time and people ran to the airport and then they said now this is the opportunity to make big money out of it.
Vilingi wa Mavomu Tongoi TV, Nyenita wa Ben Musau.